Hi, my name is Wesley and I'm excited about the opportunity to help students achieve their English language goals. I believe learning English is about much more than grammar and vocabulary. It's about opening new doors to new opportunities, building confidence, and helping people to communicate successfully in their professional lives, whether it's preparing for a job, interviewing, speaking confidently in meetings, writing professionally, emails, or communicating with international colleagues. I want my students to feel capable and confident every step of the way. My teaching style is patient, encouraging, and student focused. I understand that everyone learns at their own pace, so I create a comfortable environment where my students feel confident, asking questions, and making mistakes, because that's how real learning happens. My goal is to make every lesson practical, engaging, and relevant to each student's career and personal goals. Before I finish, I'd like to share a few words in my home language, Afrikaans. Goeiedag, ek is baie opgewonde om saam met julle te leer. Ek glo dat elke persoon die vermoë het om suksesvolle Engels te leer met die regte ondersteuning en aanmoediging. To translate, that just says good day, and I'm very happy to learn with you guys and new opportunities and getting to know you guys better. Thank you for watching. I hope to meet you in class soon. Thank you.